This is Kyle with Jones Landscape and Tractor. Today we're out fixing a few potholes. Obviously this pothole is full of water, so the first thing that I'm going to do is take the leaf blower and blow out all the water. This pothole is about 3.5 to 4 inches deep, so I'm going to use the tractor and the scarifiers on the box blade to rip out the bottom of the pothole. That way I can smooth it out and fill it in. You want to make sure that you get below the bottom of the pothole, that way the pothole doesn't reform in the same spot. Then I'll bring in a load of 3/4 minus to top dress it and pack it. The equipment I'm going to be using today is the John Deere 790, the Frontier BB 5060 box blade, and the Frontier LR 2060 landscape brake. Stay tuned to learn how we like to fix potholes. Thanks for watching. Okay, as you guys can see here, I've got most of the water out of this this pothole, and you can see, I mean, how deep that is. It's kind of hard to tell on the camera, but obviously this is the level of the road, and that's the bottom of the pothole. So it's probably 3 inches. It's probably about 3 inches. So I blew all the water out here, and then you can see it's just running down the edge of the road, going into this drainage ditch here. So now I'm going to, I've got the, I'll show you guys here. So you can see the angle of the box blade, it's tipped forward. So then I've got just these two shanks down right now, just because the pothole's not that wide, so I'm only going to use the two shanks, and I'm going to rip about 1 inch below the base of that pothole. That way I completely rip out all that hard pack. See, what happens here is little hole starts to develop, and then you can see all this gravel. I mean, this is pretty clean gravel that's been just displaced out of this pothole. So every time somebody drives in here, the weight of that vehicle splashes all of this fine sediment out, and then it just gradually over time takes this gravel out. So I'm going to show you guys how to fix this right now. Stay tuned. Okay, I want to show you guys now. So I've got this pothole ripped out, and that's going to be the first step, actually the second step after you get all the water out. But now I'm just going to take the box blade, angle it back, not quite level, but tipped a little bit forward. That way I can use that front blade to scrape. And I'm going to level this out and then fill this pothole in, pack it in real nice, and then when the new gravel comes, it'll be ready to go for top dressing.